Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram. I missed anything? No, almost all we covered, right? And the journey was amazing, actually. This has all happened because the commitment, the passion behind the leaders. They have taken it as their life. When I started my first time networking, that was in 2000. I was just an ordinary boy, 26-year-old, having a passion towards riding a motorcycle, but there was a dream to buy a car. But I realized this industry can change my life. So I have dedicated myself into this industry, and every day I started improving myself. So if you are asking me, the last 20 years, it has transformed me completely, the real transformation. And I know some people, they are starting the business, and some people, they are leaving the business. And when everywhere, wherever I'm traveling, I've traveled all the places. You know that all the places, Nagaland, all the places. I used to tell people the first thing: never ever quit. See, some people, some people are joining back right now because the family is like that. Whatever you are doing, if you have done the network marketing industry, this kind of leveraging you will not get anywhere. Understand that. Let it be any job, let it be any job, let it be any other profession, it be any small business. This kind of energy, excitement, I don't think you are going to get in your lifetime. So that kind of industry. So the passion behind this industry has made a lot of people successful. So don't expect that this is going to happen immediately. You know? Sometime people will take 1 year, 2 years to reach that level. But some people, they will take 10 years. It's all about the learning process. Are you with me? Am I audible, Santosh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So whenever I am telling to anyone, some people are thinking, though, this industry is very simple. Yes, the industry is very simple. The business is very simple. You have to start with an ID. You have to purchase product. You have to use the product, and you have to retail, and you have to connect people. The process is very simple, but unfortunately, people are making it very, very complicated because of so many things they are lacking. Just do it naturally. That is what the leadership has to be: natural leadership. It is not going to happen all of a sudden. Let me tell you, tomorrow by changing. I know some people, they started, they tried, they left, and they are coming back again to redo it again. Why? I have seen some people, they used to say that, so this is not working for me. This industry or product is not working. This system is not working. I didn't like that person. This person like that. So many things. Why it is happening? Because you don't believe in the process. It is a process. It will take time. That the real process has to happen with insight. I was an egoistic character. I was not ready to change at all, and because I'm coming from so many doctors were there. I completed my MBA. I was having that kind of egos and all. Everyone has got that ego. When my upline told Srijit, you just do this process attend program. No, don't compel me all this. Yeah, I know everything. Why are you trying to? No, I am the best marketing manager in this in my organization. Why are you trying? But I realized that some people are still making that mistake. They are trying to do it just like what is happening in the corporate world. In the corporate world, you are a boss, and you can tell anyone that your subordinate or your employees will accept just like that. They are very sure that you can terminate them and you will not be getting the salary. But the same process, if you are doing with this system, with networking system, it is not going to happen. So that is called the word. The transformation is very important. Some people, they are joining the business, and I have seen some people are still not growing because they are not ready to cooperate with their upline, the person who sponsored. They have some egos. They are telling that they are younger to me and I know more, I have more experience. Nothing matters in network marketing business, and please understand that. So the 100% submission, not to the upline. I'm not telling that you have to submit like that. The 100% submission to the system, that is called surrender yourself for your growth. And that process is not happening. And I have seen people, they are not getting into the next level because they are trying to learn things. They're trying to learn a lot of things. They're trying to increase the knowledge. They just want to talk. They just want to tell that I am like that. But practically, I can understand that their interpersonal skills, they are not ready to develop. The personalities are not, they are not developing that. So the process of changing, the first time when you are starting the business, let's say some people, they started today, maybe they have started their business today by taking some products. You are just a distributor, okay? You're just a distributor. The process is there. You have to go through that process slowly by attending some NDOs, associating with your leaders. You can see that something is happening. Your mindset has changed. So I used to tell every time, before learning the system, try to unlearn completely, unlearn your egos, everything. You have to throw it outside and start, be a person, normal person, and start building from that process. Then slowly you will become a distributor. Customer will become a prospect, or a customer will become a distributor, and that distributor will become a achiever. Achiever in the sense, today the trendsetters achiever, right? What do you call for this?
Yes.
I really congratulate. How many people achieved so far, Santosh?
300 plus, sir. 380.
Congratulations to all the achievers. But that's the first step. Then slowly, you have to be a distributor. Distributor in the sense, first of all, start using the product. Start using the product so that you will get convinced about the product. 2 months back, one distributor joined in Kerala from a place called Kottayam. Santosh knows that place. He started with 750 PV products. And I asked his upline why he has taken so much of products. No, sir, he's least bothered about. He just purchased it. Then I told him, have you done the process? Sir, what process, sir? We got the money. We are happy. Some people are like that, no? When getting one PDM are very happy. Don't leave your people. I told him, do one thing. Just go and meet him and just tell him what is this product all about. And he was not ready to go, actually. He was telling, sir, my problem, I am very good in sales closing, but I don't know much about the product. That is my problem. And I told one thing, to do one thing. Today it's very easy. What I'm trying to say is, do one thing. You just make him attend one of the Zoom meeting, which organized by our Ramdas sir, and tell him to attend that. And he attended 2 programs. And you know what happened? Miracle happened. He started using all the products. Yesterday I heard that he has purchased another 500 points of the product PV. And the sponsor who got that 750 PV, and he called me and told, sir, Srijit sir, our products are really amazing. Why you are telling that? So we are getting amazing result with that. So what I'm trying to say is, this is the process of network. And some people, they don't like it. I don't want to do that. They just want to make money. Excuse me. So according to me, you will become a prospect, you will become a distributor, and that process will happen. You ensure that your people are getting products, and one more thing, you have to ensure that your people are using the product. Go to their house, just tell them that how to use this product, and our regular presentations are happening by our vice president, product Ustad Ramdas sir is there. Make them attend this program, tell them that this is very, very important. And I can tell you, the kind of product what we are having is really amazing product. Amazing product. And once they started using that only, they will get the real conviction about the product. And in 2000, I still remember, I was with another company. At that time, the company was promoting one product. I have given to my mom. Mom got the real relief of that. See, when something comes from inside, you know, the kind of presentation, your conviction level will increase to the next level. So initial level, from a prospect, you became a distributor, you started using the product, and slowly start recommending the products to your people. Very important. Recommending means whatever way you can do, you have to do it. 2 minutes. Give me a minute, Santosh. Let me have some water.
Okay.
So start using that product. The real conviction will happen. And slowly you will start recommending the product in all the medium. Why can't you keep your profile with products? We have Instagram today. We have Facebook. We have WhatsApp. Everywhere, promote, talk about one product each. Talk to more people. Definitely you can see that people start asking about this. So wherever you are getting, product showcasing is very important. At this pandemic stage, at this the Corona time, COVID time, maybe you are not able to go to the different houses. People, they don't like it. But the maximum promotion of the products, let it be any product, liver care, let it be Sensa antioxidant juice, Uteri care. We have so many products to promote. When we started our business long back, we had only 2 products. I used to tell Santosh 500 PV, and he will look at me like this. And white tea and only protein powder over there. Now slowly, now 200 PV, 500 PV is not a big deal. Hello? All the companies, they are trying to promote their product with a lot of advertisement. Today, being a proud Magnusa distributor, you should have that attitude to talk about the product. I'll tell you very frankly, seriously, in my house, If the products are not reaching on time, my wife will start telling me all this. I didn't get that product. This product is not happening. And almost all the products reached. And yesterday she is telling that herbal hair wash is missing. Please order that again. I want to use that product. See, we are convinced about we are all using this product. And I have, my son is in third standard. Whenever I will take that Sensa antioxidant juice, I will mix it with a little bit of hot or cold water, and he will finish it just like that. So the products are, see, today we have amazing product, but the problem is people are not confident to talk about this product. I have a distributor. I told him, you just promote Utricare, that product is very good. And he started promoting, and next day he told me, sorry, after 1 week, he started, after 1 week or 2 weeks, I still not remember. He started telling, sir, all the people are calling me. So any problem with the product? No, I don't know why you are, you just call them. No, I'm worried about that, sir. I don't have that. I don't know how to. Then do one thing. I will be on, if you have any doubt, I'll be in the conference call. You just call them. I have given that confidence. And he called, and that person told, my product got over. I want the product more. I'm trying you for the last 1 week. You're not answering my call. Hello. Some people, they don't have that confidence. And so many incidents like that. You have to love your product. For that, start using all the products of Magnesa. And you can see that today also the new products are, we have designed so many products. I don't want to tell that because my chairman told, don't tell them what are the products and all. You are going to be excited after Mega Mart is launching, you know. Amazing it's going to be. And I'm very sure that you will not do 200 PV and all. You are going to do more than 2000 PV. What will be the volume for you people will be getting? I am very sure that the people, now it's more than 584 people. And a lot of people are going to be really rich, those who are practicing this process. Hello? Okay. So you become a distributor, you become a salesperson slowly, and talking to your people about the business. Definitely do some retailing and push the product. Product will move. I used to ask this question in every transform program. Yes or no? Some can raise the hand. Product will move. Products are moving. Yes.
Yes.
Pavan told it's correct. Product will move. But I'm telling you, a lot of people are raising their hands. But I'm telling you, product will not move because they don't have any legs. You have to take the product and you start moving to your customers. Then you can see that your PV is increasing. Your BV will be very happy for the married people. Some people got it, and Santosh will translate that later. Okay. So it's very important that you have to move with the product and you become the next thing what you have to do is you have to achieve a core rank in this business. What are the core rank? The core rank is being the platinum star, that the first level, no? Platinum star. That is the first level for us. Then you have to move from that platinum star to the platinum bronze, then the platinum pearl, then platinum silver. I have some platinum silvers from different places. I just want to know the platinum silvers. Any platinum silvers here? Anyone can come on screen 2 for 2 minutes, 1 minute to introduce platinum silver today. Any platinum silver, Santosh, Robert here? Hey, congratulations, man.
Mala.
From
Yes, hello.
Hi, brother. Congratulations. You are a platinum silver of Magnusa.
Thank you very much, sir.
So I want you to see the next level, okay?
Thank you very much.
The
Yes,
same
sir.
passion. Excited, right? All right. All the best, Mala. Okay.
Thank you.
Then any other platinum silvers we have in this?
We have, sir. We have.
Can I see the platinum silvers? Because we have designed a plan. The management is going to be directly in touch with platinum silvers and above. Platinum silvers and above, you'll get directly, we will have a different forum. They are going to be a part of the regular training, mentoring program. We are starting from Firoz Khan, and I will be there, and our VP will be coordinating it. Any other? Hi, sir. Welcome, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. So welcome to the team and platinum silver, sir. You have proved that, creating a lot of achievers. I got the call today from Ganesh and all the Raj from Bihar, all the places. So congratulations, sir. All the best. We will be, our management will be contacting you very soon to be a part of that. And your flyers will be displayed in the website and all very soon, all the platinum silvers. So welcome to the team, sir.
Thank you.
All the best. And any other platinum or silvers we have here?
We have, but we can't see them responding.
Susan is there?
Susan. Yes. Just.
See, tell them to raise. Hi, madam. Good evening. You have to unmute your audio.
Yeah. Hello everyone. Hello, sir.
Great to see you, ma'am. Actually,
Yeah.
we still remember from the day one when we started our journey with Magnusa and all, and
Yes, sir.
real commitment. Congratulations, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
And, this is going to be a different platform for all the people, platinum, silver. All the best, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Any other platinum, silver here? I think Nisay.
Yes, sir.
How are you? We want to hear 2 words from you.
Sir, I'm really excited to be, a platinum silver, and yes, very soon I'm going to next level.
All right. All the best, Nisay. Welcome to this privilege. Core leadership. We are talking about the core leadership. I think other people have to mute it right now. All the best. Keep the fire burning. All right. All the best. And any other, and they can come to the. Hi, Jingle Dawla Gafu. You have to unmute yourself.
Hello, sir. Very good evening.
Yeah. All the leaders who started long back, we started the journey. I think it's so many years. This organization, the word tycoon, that the premium platform of Magnusa, the silver, the core team. All the best. Any other, Robert? Can we see that?
We have got golds, sir. Now golds are there.
That I will call them separately. From any other platform?
Chansim we can't see here.
Chanshim. Oh, Chanshim is there, and
Kevilino.
any other?
Kevilino also is not seen.
All right.
Maybe in different.
Okay. So your job is to create your core leaders to reach that. Can I get the spot? I'm in spotlight. All right. So your job is to create them as a platinum silver. That is the next thing what you have to do. The process is like that. And next, slowly start moving that, climbing the ladder of success. The next level, it's going to be platinum, gold, one of the very good level, I can say, the people who started building that. I just want to see the platinum gold from Meghalaya, right? We have some gold from Meghalaya, we have.
Kishore shooting.
Any other?
We have got Vihoto Kejo.
Yeah, we have another from Nagaland also. Hi. I heard that you're going Ruby very soon.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Talk
Yeah.
something about the journey.
Yes, I'm super excited, sir. Kind of nervous also.
That's great. That's a part of the journey, not a problem. It happens. You can be nervous, not a problem. But I'm seeing that. See, I'll tell you during this journey. Okay, all the best. Any other gold? All right. Okay. So during this journey, what happens? No. So many fluctuations will happen. So many fluctuations will happen. So many times the tough time will happen. You ask Santosh, you ask Rhoda, you ask Robert, Prakash, all the leaders, how many times they have gone through the tough time. We have to overcome that. Why this is happening? Because in most of the cases, people will face a lot of challenges or obstructions because of they are moving away from the going away from the focus. That is the basic activities what they have to do. They are moving away from the basic activities they are supposed to do every day. That is the biggest challenge. That means list building. That's a process. That's a daily activity. I used to do that. Today I finished one presentation, and that person is from Dhaka, Bangladesh. My personal presentation I'm talking about. So list building, invitation, show the plan, follow up. I don't have to talk about that. Everyone knows about that basic activities that has to happen regularly with you people. There is no other rocket science in this business. Only this has to be there. And what happens sometimes when you are reaching this kind of levels? Am I here? Rhoda Kapani, I can see.
Yes, we can hear you.
Can I get the spotlight? All right. So during this process, what happens? No, sometimes the leaders, when they are achieving some ranks, the core leaders, their focus will change. Someone will attract them. Some people got that. And they will change the focus and they will forget everything. They are not doing their any activity. Look, slowly that people will go fade in the business. Because some people, they will buy a four-wheeler, a good car and all. Then they will get the value from their relatives. Am I audible? Can I see the Kishore sir? We need to listen from you, 2 minutes. Kishore shooting, sir? Sir is on his daily routine walking, I think.
He is on top of the roof, sir, actually.
top of the roof,
Or
or trying to capture the network.
yes, now he has come to the light.
All right.
Shooting sir, speak something.
All right. Okay. Anyway, the network is the problem. I think we had a discussion in the evening. We had a chat done. We're so excited about the things which is happening and all. Okay. So don't get diverted. I'll tell you, my dear friends. Seriously, I'm telling you to all these naughty boys and naughty girls. I'm telling you seriously. You are getting my point. I'm talking to you only. When this business is happening, a lot of people are spoiling their, I'll tell you, your dreams will get buried. I have seen so many times people are going away from the focus. They are losing their focus. They got some kind of recognition, and they will change. They will get into so many other unwanted activities. Slowly their business will go. Once it's gone, it's very difficult to bring it back. I'm telling you, my dear friends, my journey started 20 years back. I'm taking it as said, tabasya. No, tabasya, what do you call for that? Tabasya in English, Tapansar will help me. Tabasya, that's a total devotion to create an amazing industry in the world. Every day we are focused for that. There is no, diversion. Excuse me. So this will make you a true leader. We used to tell that when we are going through this journey, the 4 stages, the first stage is called the survival level. Survival level. When you are just a distributor, when you started the business, you are into the survival level. The next level, slowly you will get into the stabilized level. That is what you are becoming a distributor. The next level is the success level, actually, where you will become a very core leader. Core leaders like getting a good income, platinum, gold, platinum, ruby, that level, you will reach that level. But at that time, never change your focus. You have to be more aggressive. Today, we know that the business is doing extremely well. Magnusa is making noise everywhere. But this stage, we are more careful. I still remember when one day I was traveling from Bangalore to Coimbatore on a highway. My cousin was driving at that time, long back, the story is long. And he was driving at a speed of 200 kilometers. No, you know that the vehicle is moving at that speed, 150 MO, and he was concentrating like anything. He is a driver, just a sports car driver. And he used to tell me, Srijit, don't talk to me right now. Why? Because I'm moving at a speed of 150 to 200. I need more focus here. I need more focus. One mistake will spoil the life of the entire people. I am very very worried about this. I'm very, very, very much focused about that. So this is not happening with a lot of leaders. Sorry to say that. We created a culture. We are not like other companies who are coming and trying to get some money and running. We are creating a culture. The culture, what we are telling that the Magnusa culture we are cultivating. But unfortunately, some leaders, they are entering into unwanted activities. They are least bothered about that. Come back and change your mindset. Start seeing the amazing potential of the Magnusa business after 10 years. Now also I'm telling you, you have just seen. After crossing all this barrier, you will become a champion. You will become a true diamond. You will become a true leader. You will influence people. You can motivate people. At that time, there won't be any reason I want some extra income. No, I was having that. When I started network marketing business, I was looking for some extra income so that I can buy a better car or a better bike. That was the reason when I started my business long back. After that, slowly realizing the power of this industry, I decided to change myself. I became more committed to myself. I decided I am going to be more disciplined. If you're asking me, I am just telling you, just like Sachin Tendulkar, who knows the cricket, he knows only the cricket. Now he is enjoying his life. At that time, he performed the best of the best because the focus was like that. So you have to have that kind of discipline. When I am calling some people, they will not get up in the morning, even 11:30 also, they are not ready to get up. Hello? Change your focus. Corona will go after some time. But at this time, if you're taking rest and if you're not getting up from the bed and meeting people, I'm telling you, you will not become successful in life. Tomorrow morning, you have to get up. Arrange an office come studio at home. Take loan if you don't have money. Buy a better table. Buy a laptop. Get a stable connection. I'm talking about internet connection. And be in front of your system. You are an entrepreneur. We are here to change the people. Understand that when you are having a team of 200, 300, your responsibility has to be increased. Why we are focused? Captain will get up by 5 o'clock in the morning. I'll go to bed by 2 o'clock because we are working like that. We are committed because we know that we have taken a responsibility of lakhs and lakhs of people. We are praying to God every day that whatever decision we are making or taking, it has to be the best decision, because if you're taking some wrong commitment, one decision makes something wrong, it is affecting more than so many people's life. So my dear friends, from your reason, your business and your focus has to reach that level called the dream. Have the dream, have the desire to achieve something great for you, for your family, for your parents, for your children, for the society. We are going to have a lot of money. By that time, we can help a lot of people through Sol Foundation. So that has to be your focus. So after some time, when you are becoming a true leader, your dream will change to a vision. That is the ultimate. If you're asking me, today we are moving with a vision or a mission, you can say that, to create the maximum successful entrepreneur, to redefine direct selling industry globally in an ethical way, with a lot of ethics and values, to create a community like that. You're from different places. We have to empower our rural pockets, our next people. That is the biggest thing what you can give to your society. If you don't have that, if you're just working for the money, I'm telling you, you will not become a great personality. So take a decision to be a part of this movement We got amazing platform. Company is giving you daily income right now, weekly income, monthly, daily income, weekly income, fortnight income, monthly income, quarterly income. What else you want? Which company is giving this kind of, and which company is talking to you like this? The director, the entire family, we are working together as a family. We are looking for a lifetime association with you people, to transform the people, to design 1 million people's life. One decision will change so many people's life. Understand that. I'm talking to a lot of leaders because of one person has taken a decision long back. He met me in a coffee day. I still remember that day. In Banshangari, there's a place in Bangalore, in Banshangari, a coffee day. And he told, sir, I want to build this business in Northeast. I'm talking to your personality, your leader, Santosh Joseph. And I'm talking to, when we started our journey, we got amazing leaders, who supported us in the initial stage to build this business. Robert, I still remember that journey. I will not forget Robert. Hailstorm story, you will talk to them, no? You will just tell them what happened. Okay, that day.
Yeah. So that was actually 6.5 years back, almost 7 years back. And there was, I took actually Srijit sir to another district in Assam. That was about 150 kilometers. And my program was totally flop. I took Srijit Nair there, and the people were less than 10 people. Now the crowd was less than 10 people, and nothing was arranged. And when we were returning, actually somehow we survived. Why? Because there was a hailstorm, and myself and Mr. Santosh here, my sponsor, Srijit sir, and we also hired a car. We were all hiding under the table during the evening lunch actually, around 4 o'clock. And we thought we are going to die that day. Thank you, Srijit sir, for
No, that is the journey we started. And today we are, a lot of achievers. And we met our humble and simple, beautiful girl from Shillong. She was working for a hospital. I still remember she attended one training program. I'm talking about Rhoda Kapani, our Diamond Executive. 2 words, Rhoda. The journey with Magnesa.
Hi, sir. Good evening. It is unimaginable, overwhelming. Everything, whatever has happened from the beginning, the first time, the first moment I saw and met Sir Srijit Nair through Santosh Joseph, ever since the day, all the transformation, all the knowledge, all the association, so many things which I have gone through, it is just too overwhelming. Thank you so much for the support, sir, from beginning till now. Hats off to you.
Thank you, Rhoda. And our Prakash Bara was telling, with a lot of affection, we call him a different name. I am not telling that name. All right, anyway. Can I get see, actually, I was his driver. I used to drive his car. And he used to tell that drive in that way, this way. And he used to guide me sitting in front of the seat. Knows everything. Okay, anyway, Prakash.
Yeah, so basically after I met you in the Nandan Hotel, that was the turning point of my life. And I never looked back after that, because I knew that you were the right mentor for me. And first time a director meeting me personally, never ever had happened in my life. I took it very seriously what you said, and that's why today what I am today. Whatever you told me, I did it, and that's what. The credit goes to you.
That was a great journey, and still we are together working. Now at that time I used to come there. Now we are working digitally, and we have our Kishore Suting Emerald Executive from you already seen. and all the people supported. At that time, it was working together like a family. We used to get food from Susanna ma'am, and we used to get sometime our Tapan sir, we used to work. All the people work together. That is really touching, you know. It's a family. Now also we are maintaining that, and we have one more diamond from our Shillong sir. Is there? Drosing sir? I've seen sir. Sir is sir. Welcome. How are you, sir? Technical problem, sir. You have to unmute.
Yeah, I'm already unmuted, sir.
Hmm.
I'm very happy, sir. Now I'm with my missus only. We are working together, work together.
Great, sir. Great. And I really appreciate that, sir. Now also at this time, now it is 9 o'clock. Oh my God, 9:30 I have another program. Okay, 9:12 also you are sitting with VR Magnus. That is actually really an amazing, great thing.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so so many things, because when you are doing this business from the heart, it's going to happen. So many people left also, okay, and now they are regretting, and they are going to come back. I'm telling you that Almighty will bring them back to this system, because I believe in one thing: when I'm doing something great with the right intention, definitely the God will support us. So congratulations, leaders, and all the best. Some people started the journey today only, and some people are going through that journey. Some people are going through a lot of struggles and all, but come back today, right now, onwards. Uninterrupted focus for the next 1 year. Let it be Corona or any other thing. At least Corona, kuch Corona be, do for your life. Wish you all the best. Stay tuned with Magsa. Maglops will change your life. A lot of people are going to become successful, and we are going to create a revolution. The movement is going to happen with Magnusa, not only in India, all across the globe. Wish you all the best. Stay tuned. We are Magnusa. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Over to you, leaders.